Welcome guys, this is Mtebes Enoch from Barara University of Science and Technology. I'm doing computer science. This is my database system project. Actually specialized, all my area of interest is in hospitals and my database systems which are applicable in hospitals include electronic health record management system. We have picture archiving and communication systems. We have health information exchange. We have hospital information systems. We have laboratory information management system and pharmacy information management system. But among all those that I have listed, I had to choose electronic health record system so as to improve or to make better patients' outcomes from these hospitals. Major reasons include efficiency information access, whereby you can easily access the records of these patients, and enhanced communication, whereby you communicate easily. We have safer prescribing, better documentation, privacy and security, productivity balance, cost reduction, clinical decision making, equity in health care, all those. Whereby you have the application domain of this system, and the application domain we have the patient information management, we have clinical decision support, we have health provider, also provide collaboration, we have regulatory compliance, we have business engagement, data analysis reporting, and many others. The benefits of this system, actually we are talking on electronic health record system. Actually we should not forget it's where we are now. It has several benefits like improving health care, patients' health care. Sorry. We have enhanced efficiency, we have data saving privacy, we have analytics and reporting, patient engagement and satisfaction, whereby this system includes the patient portals, mobile applications, as we are talking about patient engagement and satisfaction. Even though the benefits are there, but the costs of the system also exist, whereby you have the initial investment costs, which include software licensing, hardware acquisition. As you are dealing in electronics, you must actually think of softwares, and which are costly, whereby this is one of the costs of this system. We have ongoing maintenance and support costs, whereby initial implementation, where there is opening, ongoing costs associated with maintaining and supporting the system, which include software updates and many others. As you can see, the costs, we have the operational costs, training and management costs. These are normal ones, whereby you must incur some expenses as you are training your colleagues or your employees to use the system. You must cut those costs and the expenses. We have the risks of this system, whereby the risk of this system can be technical, organization, and others, whereby you have data security and privacy. Data security and privacy, I can explain it in terms of data theft and unsolicited access, whereby your data or risk of data breaches due to unsolicited access by employees, hackers, without malicious intent or without this authority to access it. We have data integrity and accuracy, whereby we have data entry errors, we have system errors, as you can read and understand very well. These are very easy. We have the system performance and availability. We have user adoption and training. This system makes me very happy for sure, as you can see how things are flowing, and the risks, cyber security risks, regulatory and legal risks. but I can explain cybersecurity because it's somehow hectic as I can, as how the previous learners were telling me. We have malware in cybersecurity risks. We have malware and ransomware. We have phishing and social engineering, where risks of phishing emails or social engineering attacks targeting health employees to obtain logical credentials or system information. These are some of the risks of electronic health record system, or you can call it EHR in simple terms. We have the limitations where we have an ability to provide medical advice, inability to perform physical examination or tests, limited interaction, notification. These are very simple, as you can see. These are some of the limitations. The logical design and physical design. Here I have the entities and the relations to these entities, and I can say even how the multiplixities, as you can see, one to many, one is at the multiplixities. Then like I can give you a simple example here of patients appointment and appointment. One patient can have multiple appointments. Yeah, one patient can be appointed multiple times. Yeah, and one appointment is associated with one patient, whereby these appointments are for one patient, not for many patients. Every patient he has his own appointment. We have the appointment. Actually, as you flow with these relations, you get to understand what I mean. A doctor an appointment whereby one doctor, a single doctor, can have multiple appointments, and one appointment is associated with one doctor. Where we have the nurse appointment, so we have the rest. We have a department with the doctor, all that. Whereby you have one department can have multiple doctors, and one doctor belongs to one department. Again, that's it. Here I can give you a table which contains entities, which contains attributes, data types, and description. Entities, where we have patients, and these attributes, we have patients' name, date of birth, gender, address, phone, and email. These attributes are for all the patient, and here in the column of data type, these are the data types of these attributes, whereby the patient's ID, its data type is an int, or you can call it integer. Then for name, var character, for date of birth, date, gender, var character. Yeah. And we have the description, whereby the description we have in description we explain each attribute in each entity. Yeah, like patient's ID, it is a unique identifier for the patient, whereby a patient has his or her own patient's ID to identify that this is patient Nani, this is patient's Eno, this is patient Darius, this is patient Nani, and the name, like in the description, I describe or I explain each entity. No, I describe each attribute, as how you can see how arranged in the table. The email, patient's email address, like that. Actually, the interrelationship diagram, as I had explained earlier, we have the entity attributes. This arrow pointing patient to appointment. This is a relation. It has from doctor, we have doctor medical creates, these are relations, and doctor department, nurse, patients, medical record, these are entities, and all that. Then the multiplixities, whereby you have one to many, the star means many, and one, and as you can hear, one. A one to one, one to many, sort of, yeah. This is the table in my database that stores users' credentials when they sign up for an account. When you sign up, like I think this one I shall explain it from here, from the sign up page, whereby you put your name, the username, the email, the password, either guest or admin or who you sign up. So it is stored in this table that I had explained here. Like you may read your name, your phone, and email. They get saved there. These are my database. These are my database screenshots, which I did in my SQL, whereby you create the table, you insert in the table, you describe the table, you select from the table by using my SQL. And the biography for my EHR, as I told you, EHR should not confuse you, it is electronic record database project. Where I got some information and explanation from these books, and you can also visit there, you get more explanation, more techniques on how to do these projects very well. You can visit a certain link, I have created it for you. You can go to that link, get information, and you understand better on this project. You can include the development and implementation of EHR database system, present a transformative milestone in health technology by seamlessly integrating business data, streaming workflows, and enhancing communication among health providers, which actually enhance operation efficiency and ultimately revolutionize the delivery of health care worldwide. Thank you very much for listening to me. You can actually subscribe to my YouTube channel. As I told you, I use Interest Enough on my YouTube channel. Subscribe and you follow more videos that will be coming to teach you more about this project. This is my sign up page, whereby we have the username, we have the email, we have the password, we have the role. Email can be like Prince yeah, as you know how the email is, like 91@gmail.com. Then the password can be like you can say no is equal to 91 mu sort of any password. You can come and click. If a guest click, and the minute click and then you sign up. So when you sign up, it takes you to the other tables that I told you. And these are the different people, all the different patients, all the different users who will come, put their credentials from here, sign up, it takes you to the other table. Another one comes, grab as your code. And that's how the system works. That's how the electronic health record system works.